In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Smartsheet form. If you've been working with Smartsheet and find yourself needing to make a copy of an existing form, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the simple steps to duplicate a form within the same sheet quickly and efficiently. This process can be quite handy when you want to maintain consistency across projects or just need a similar form with minor tweaks. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access the forms within your Smartsheet. Start by navigating to the top menu where you'll see the option for Forms. Go ahead and click on that and then select Manage Forms. This section is your hub for all things form-related in Smartsheet, allowing you to create, manage, and modify forms you've been working on. Once you're in the Manage Forms area, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the list of forms available on your sheet. You'll see this list displayed clearly, showing all forms associated with your active sheet. Now the next step involves choosing the specific form you wish to duplicate. Scroll through your list and find the form you want to replicate. When you've found it, select that form. Selecting a form highlights it and prepares it for any actions you want to take. Over to the right or in a drop-down depending on your interface, you should see an option labeled Duplicate. Click on the Duplicate option, and just like that, your form is duplicated. This new form will appear alongside your original, and it carries over all the fields and settings of the template you selected. Duplicating forms is a time saver for when you want the same layout and field types without manually recreating them from scratch. Remember, this duplicated form within the same sheet can be edited independently. Now make any necessary changes to the new form's title or fields to suit your current needs. Perhaps you'll want to change a question text or adjust some field options. Go ahead and do that to ensure it's tailored for your specific purpose. Finally, if you need to access this form later or share it with your team, you can return to the Manage Forms section to make further edits or share the form link. Keeping track of your forms in this way ensures that you maintain a clear organization structure in your Smartsheet project. This way, every team member knows which form is up to date and can be used for collecting new data. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to duplicate a form within the same Smartsheet sheet. Duplicate away and streamline your workflow effortlessly with this neat feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in your future Smartsheet tasks.